So this is how we moisturize my daughter's hair. She was quite young there, and I was the photographer and the hairdresser at the same time. So you might not see a very perfect rendition, but at least you get the gist. So that's her hair. She has really kinky hair. It's always thirsty and looks dried and feel dry. So I get my mixed conditioner and water and some oil. I shake it together. I apply it to her hair. And this is what I used to do when she was younger because she wasn't patient for all the process. So I'll spray it like this. And so when I spray it like this, I don't have to do the LOC or LCO. I have everything in one. And then I start to rub it in like so. I rubbed it in, making sure that every strand of the hair or most of the strands of the hair gets a part of that, and I add oil to the scalp like that. Then I massage it in. I just massage it in. Sorry, it doesn't look so clear, but at least you get the gist. I'm putting the oil, trying to make the oil get to the scalp. And that's what we did before we started to twist the hair. We make sure that we rub it in nice because she has low porosity hair, and you have to really rub it in and make sure that the product sinks into her hair. Now I'm trying heat to make the product sink into her hair. I'm no longer just using cold water. I'm using heat. So when I say heat, I mean I put a warm cap on her hair, and that has helped her hair absorb some of the products that I'm applying on her hair. How do you do it with your little girl's hair who have lots of hair and maybe it's so kinky? What do you do? What's the process that you use? Let me know. Share this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please share with us what you think, what are your thoughts, what's your advice, what's your counsel on how to manage this little baby's hair. She's not a big girl now. This was more than 6 years ago, but this was how we used to do it back in the days. And I will show you our updated process for now. So enjoy some of the photos before and after, how her hair is growing, how her hair is doing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and come again for another video. Bye. Thank you.